Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now I am going to discuss level 2 problems in quadratic equations. See here what they are giving. Alpha, beta are roots of the quadratic equation. Then the value of alpha, beta roots means we know that sum of the roots formula and product of the roots also. Sum of the roots minus b by a. Observe the quadratic equation, write that ABC values. Product of the roots c by a, that is 27 by 8. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 8. Now take the given condition, alpha square divided by beta whole power 1 by 3 plus beta square divided by alpha whole power 1 by 3. Students, observe here what is the LCM? Alpha power 1 by 3 into beta power 1 by 3. This is the LCM. Here alpha power 2 by 3 into alpha power 1 by 3 plus beta power 2 by 3 beta power 1 by 3. Numerator, observe that bases are equal, power should be adding. Then the power we get 3 by 3, that is 1. So overall numerator is alpha plus beta. But denominator, see that alpha power 1 by 3, beta power 1 by 3. I am written alpha beta whole power 1 by 3. What is alpha plus beta value? 3 by 8. Alpha beta 27 by 8 whole cube. Okay. Now 3 by 8. This is not whole cube, sorry. Power 1 by 3 now. Power 1 by 3. 27 whole power 1 by 3 means 3. 8 power 1 by 3 means 2. Because 3 cube is 27. 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. Now 2 4s are 8. 3 3 cancel. Answer finally 1 by 4. Second option correct. Alpha, beta are roots of the equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots, minus of minus p divided by 1, and product of the roots, alpha beta, q divided by 1. Finally, alpha plus beta is equal to p, alpha beta is equal to q. See the next condition. The equation whose roots are new roots given, and find the new quadratic equation. Okay, now here I am taking new roots. Let one is what we can take, a, small a, that is equal to alpha beta plus alpha plus beta. Another root, b, alpha beta minus alpha minus beta. What is alpha plus alpha beta value? Q plus alpha plus beta p. This is a b. See, alpha beta is q minus alpha minus beta is there. Take minus common, you'll get minus of alpha plus beta. That's value is p. These are the new roots. New roots form the quadratic equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots q plus p plus q minus p into x. Product of the roots q plus p into q minus p is equal to 0. Simplify here. P minus p cancel. We get x square minus 2qx plus q plus p into q minus p. Q square minus p square is equal to 0. This is the new quadratic equation. Which option correct, students? I think third option correct. Third question. Here, sine theta, cos theta are roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We know that alpha, beta are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sum of the roots minus b by a, product of the roots c by a. Okay, but here instead of alpha and beta they given sine theta, cos theta. Now first find sum of the roots sine theta plus cos theta, that is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots sine theta into cos theta, that is equal to c divided by a. By using these two conditions, so we want to eliminate theta. Okay, how to eliminate? Do here, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then what happened? Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta, that is equal to minus b by a whole square, that is b square by a square. Sine square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 into sine theta cos theta value c by a, that is equal to b square by a square. Now take the LCM here. A plus 2c divided by a, that is equal to b square divided by a square. A cancel. One more a is a, take cross multiplication. We get a square plus 2ac is equal to b square. By observing the options, b square and left hand side, we get minus b square. A square minus b square plus 2ac is equal to 0. This is the condition. Which option correct? First option. Here given alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 56. Then quadratic equation whose roots are alpha, beta. Alpha, beta are the roots means how to form the quadratic equation? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. This is the formula. But see the question, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. Alpha plus beta given. Now we need alpha, beta. This value we don't know. And another condition given, that is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus 56. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is the formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So that is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus 56. Here we know that alpha plus beta value, substitute minus 2 whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into minus 2. That is equal to minus 56. This is 8 and 6 alpha beta. Here we are getting minus 8. Send that side plus 8. 6 alpha beta. That is equal to minus 48. So alpha beta minus 8. Now we know that alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. Substitute here in place of alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So x square minus alpha plus beta value minus 2. Alpha beta minus 8. Now see that x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Which option correct, students? Fourth option.